I want to know purely from an investor standpoint, if I have invested in HDFC AMC funds, is there a reason to be concerned?
To my mind, Sonia, there's no reason to be concerned. The reasons being because you have in the helm of affairs, you have Navneet Munot, who has been a CIO himself. You have the next in line CIO for the equity side, which is Chirag Setalvad. He spent a couple of decades again there under the leadership of Prashant Jain. And all these amazing leaders have this habit of opening all their cards and passing on their learnings to the subsequent person, right? So I personally think there's nothing to worry. They have a 28-member team, which is really deep. And all of them have spent an average more than a decade.
Prashant Jain was known for his strict adherence to value stocks. Do you think HDFC AMC can afford to stick to it in its entirety? How do you see them take the funds forward?
So, Sonia, to my mind, most of the questions have mathematical answers. If we look at data, I would say the answer is yes. Of course, I can substantiate that with data. Out of the 8 large schemes, 7 of them actually follow a value principle. If you define value as a certain discount to the P of the residual market, if you're following a P model which is relatively lesser than the open market, and that's prominent across 7 out of your 8 schemes, it's no more a one-person thing. It's a philosophy the organization follows, is what I would like to infer from that data.
The new people who have come at the helm, how do you see them move now that, we're even in such a volatile market?
So if I again look for mathematics to give me the answer, Jain, who's been managing Franklin Blue Chip, Franklin Focused Equity, Franklin India Build, all of these can be categorized as value as per Anand Rathi's definition, which is if your PEs of your portfolio are 10% lower than the market or the benchmark portfolio, that's value. If you're following a 10% higher PE than your benchmark, that means you're chasing growth rather than value. So if the replacement, all 3 schemes categorize as value and the average PE and the PB, price to book, both these parameters are 10, 12, 15% lower than the benchmark she operates in, I would say it's a good replacement.